If you're a founder, you know the feeling. It's this impossible challenge where you have to do literally everything. You're the researcher, the coder, the marketer, the designer. You're a one-person army. But what if you could have a whole team of specialists, all powered by some of the world's most advanced AI working for you? Well, today we're unlocking Google's secret AI toolkit, a whole suite of incredibly powerful tools that, honestly, most people don't even know exist.
I mean, just think about it for a second. Could you actually take a brand new idea and launch a full-blown business in a single afternoon? It sounds crazy, right? You'd need market research, a solid strategy, a website, all your marketing materials. The list just goes on and on.
Or, okay, how about this one? Could you build a real functional application just by describing what you want it to do? In plain English? Again, that sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but these are the exact kinds of problems that are now being solved.
By using this whole suite of interconnected AI services that Google has been quietly putting out there. And we're not talking about simple chatbots here. These are specialized tools, each one designed to handle a specific stage of building a business from the ground up. And here's the real kicker. They're not just powerful. They are completely 100% free. No trials, no limited versions, none of that. We are talking about giving a solo founder a massive, massive advantage, the kind that used to require a huge budget and a whole team. So in this explainer, we're going to follow that exact journey. We're going to start with just a simple idea and walk step by step through the whole process, the research, the creation, and the launch, using nothing but Google's free AI arsenal. Let's do it.
Okay, first things first. Every great business starts with a great idea, but it survives on solid data. Most businesses don't fail because of bad execution. They fail because they were chasing the wrong idea from the start. So we have to validate our concept before we build a single thing. And for that, we turn to our first tool, NotebookLM. Think of this as your personal research assistant. You can feed it market reports, articles, even YouTube videos, and it will analyze all that data without making stuff up. It is the perfect tool for building a strategy that's grounded in actual facts, not just guesswork. So let's take a real example. Let's say we want to start a print-on-demand t-shirt business for local school communities. We feed all of our research into NotebookLM, and boom, it generates this viability analysis for us. Look at this. It gives market size a 9 out of 10, so huge potential, but it also flags competition as a 5 out of 10, which tells us, hey, we're going to need a unique angle to really stand out.
So here's the crucial part. After weighing all the different factors, the huge market, the passionate niche, the low barriers to entry, NotebookLM gives us a final recommendation, a 9 out of 10. That is our green light. We now have a data-backed, viable business idea, and we can move forward with total confidence.
All right, now that we have a validated strategy, it's time to build. This is where we take all that research and turn it into a real product that customers can actually see and interact with. Our first stop in the creation phase is Opal, which is Google's no-code AI agent builder. It's almost ridiculously simple. You just describe the app you want, the AI generates the entire workflow, and you get a link you can share. It is perfect for creating simple tools, internal apps, or even quick marketing assets.
And this just illustrates its power perfectly. This single sentence is enough for Opal to generate a complete working app. It has inputs for the number of people and dietary needs, a step where the AI actually generates a meal plan, and an output to show you the results. It's wild.
But while Opal is fantastic for those quick, simple tools, our main business needs a professional, scalable website. And for that, we need a different tool, Firebase Studio. The way to think about it is Opal is for quick, casual projects, while Firebase Studio is for building and deploying your core business. Firebase Studio is what takes our t-shirt business strategy and turns it into a fully functional e-commerce site. It handles the code, the structure, it even helps with the design. We just provide the prompts, and it builds the entire online store for us.
All right, our website is live, but a great product is totally useless if nobody knows about it. So the next phase is all about promotion. We got to tell the world what we've built. And you guessed it, there are AI tools for that too.
Meet Pimeli. This is basically your AI marketing assistant. The process is so efficient, it's kind of nuts. You just give it your website's URL. That's it. It scans your site, it learns your branding, your colors, your fonts, your tone of voice, and then it automatically generates entire social media campaigns for you, complete with images and copy. And for things like video ads or any other audio content, there's a really powerful text-to-speech model right inside Google's AI Studio. It can create these incredibly realistic voiceovers with multiple distinct speakers.
This is the kind of professional quality that other services charge a monthly fee for, but here, it's completely free.
Okay, now for a quick-fire round of bonus tools. These can seriously supercharge your productivity at any stage of the game.
First up, Gemini Canvas. If you have a boring text document, like that business plan we started with, you can just feed it into Gemini, and it will automatically create a professional, visually engaging Google Slides presentation for you. Absolutely perfect for those last-minute investor pitches.
And for the research phase, don't forget about YouTube's built-in AI summary. It gives you a quick, text-based overview of a video's content so you can decide if it's actually worth your time without having to watch the whole thing. It is a massive time saver.
So there you have it. From a validated idea with NotebookLM, to a live website with Firebase Studio, to a full marketing campaign with Pimily and AI Studio. An entire business workflow powered by free AI tools. What used to take a whole team of experts can now literally be done by one person in an afternoon. So the only question left is, what will you build?